Who do you have with you today?
This is my special friend, JJ.
Hi, everyone. My name is JJ. Professionally, I'm exploring my options right now.
Unemployed.
In my former line of work, I took out garbage. Took it out all over the world, actually.
Oh my God, Zach.
Manners, class. Everyone's experiences are valuable. Okay, there's nothing to be ashamed of.
She's so weird. Why would you bring him?
When I said I took out the garbage, I meant human trash. The truth is, I'm a former Army Ranger who now works for secret operations for a U.S. intelligence agency that may... I'm not really supposed to talk about it, but I saw some judging, some unkindness. If any of this information were to leave this room, I will find you. No, I'm just kidding. Sort of.